Zonda Real Estate Investment Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people invest in real estate based on gut feeling. The surprising truth is that data-backed decisions dramatically reduce risk. Zonda is a real estate data and analytics platform used by builders, developers, and investors to study housing markets. It provides information on home prices, inventory levels, construction trends, and neighborhood demand. Zonda allows users to see which areas are growing, where prices are rising, and which markets are slowing down. For example, an investor can use Zonda to compare two cities and choose the one with higher projected growth. This data-driven approach helps avoid costly mistakes and supports smarter development planning. Zonda is powerful, but it is built for professionals, not casual buyers. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. It is not a listing site. It is a research and forecasting platform. If you are serious about real estate investment, Zonda can provide valuable insights. Subscribe now for more honest finance and property reviews.